Instant Page Builder Shopify tutorial. Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a page using Instant Page Builder app on Shopify. The first thing you want to do is go over to the left-hand menu option once you're on your Shopify app, and you're going to tap on Apps. Then from there, you're going to tap on All Recommended Apps. After doing that, you're going to tap on Shopify App Store. Once on the Shopify App Store, you're going to tap on the search bar at the top of the page and you're going to type in Instant Page Builder. From here, I want you to tap on Instant Section and Page Builder. Then you can scroll down and you'll realize that you'll be able to install this app for free as they offer a free forever plan. You're going to tap on Install. Then you'll be redirected to a new page and you're going to select Install once more. After doing that, you'll be prompted to sign up. So from here, you can enter your name, email address, or you can choose to continue with Google. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, you can choose how you heard about them. And you can also select what is your project about. So you can select the category that you're in. So let's say, for example, I were to just select fashion, then tap on Create Project. After you have done that, what do you want to build? Is it a landing page, product templates, theme sections, or blog posts? We're going to be selecting landing pages. After selecting landing pages, you'll tap on Next. Then from there, you'll be prompted to connect it with Shopify. So you can tap on Connect with Shopify at the bottom right there. So let's do that. After you have tapped on Connect with Shopify, you can see our Shopify store. After selecting the Shopify store, as you can see right there, all you'll need to do now is tap on Open Builder. After selecting Open Builder, you're going to tap on the X to close out, and you can choose to either build from scratch, or you can choose to build sections, or you can choose a template. We're going to be tapping on Choose a Template. After selecting Choose a Template, you can select from any one of the industries from the left-hand column. And you can also scroll down and you can see the different options right there. Once you have found one that you like, let's say for example we were to use this one, all you'll need to do is tap on it and it is going to automatically load up. Once it has loaded up, you can start editing it. So for example, I can tap on the image and from there I could change the image if I want. You can see different options from the right hand column that you can edit with. So you can see right there, content is a placeholder now. We could tap on Shopify. After tapping on Shopify, you could select the source and you can add your products just like that. You can also add a variant quite quickly, but I'll be using the placeholder for now. So you can see how easily you can edit it. After doing that, you can tap on each section and you can edit the sections if you want. By going over to the right hand column, you can edit the sections, or you could go over to the left hand column and choose the different section that you would like to edit. Once you're finished editing your page, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner and you could tap on Preview to see how it looks. And you can see how it looks right there. Then we'll simply tap on the X and we're going to tap on Publish. After selecting Publish, you're going to tap on Enable in Shopify and it is going to carry you to your editor page. Once on the editor page, you want to ensure that the app has been enabled and you're going to tap on Save. After tapping on Save, you're going to go back into the app dashboard and you're going to tap on Verify and Publish. Once it has been verified, you'll realize that your home page has changed or any particular page that you has used this app to create. So you can see right there, it is now up and running. If we were to tap on View, you can see my home page at the moment. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.